There's a house with a broken window and there's a mannequin looking right at you. We're heading somewhere new, like completely new. Never been there before. And we're probably gonna get to the campsite like 9. Stay tuned. I'll see you when we get there. I can probably just only see 4.5 lines on my left. Holy freaking white, oh, crazy. So we just got here. I think it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10:30. We took a long time because it was so foggy earlier. We're just gonna set up the tarp, the shelter first. Brand new tarp sponsored by DT Realty.
Ah!
got you too, probably. Yeah. On the
Lost the hair of me knuckles.
It's a long drive there. I'm just gonna relax for like good 2 minutes here and then set up the rig for sleeping tonight. I got my sleeping bag, sleeping pad, and my
Yeah, because
pillow.
the wind is coming.
If you want something that lasts, that looks good, yo, you gotta pay,
Yeah,
bro.
but that's it though, right? I mean, you gotta spend the money for good quality
Yeah,
shit.
yeah. Good morning. We just woke up like 20 minutes ago. Freaking wild outside. I woke up around 7 actually, and it was like orange around this area. And I just went back to sleep. This, you know. What's cooking, bro?
Trying to get my oven going.
Oven?
Yeah, I'm expanding.
Newfoundland oven?
Yeah. Newfie oven. You heard of Dutch oven? Well, it's a Newfie oven.
Yeah.
Tastes like jerky, yo. What is? Welcome to the Badlands, baby. We just left the campsite, and yeah, last night we couldn't see any of this. It's crazy. We never really explored Badlands before, so today's the day. Looks sick though, man. I mean, we love being in the Rockies, but goddamn. I think I just like it when no one's here. Where are you taking us?
I don't know, man. I just went across the border. Yeah, right? Yeah. Man, it's cold in Utah.
I kind of want to go in one of these, man. So after the Rowley, I think we should climb one of these, yo. It's crazy. I've never been here in the wintertime. You can't fly the drone in here because it is a provincial or regional park. That's why I'm filming this. So you can see the entire view. It's crazy, man. We always showed you where we live, which is the Rockies, and we're always there every weekend. Frozen trees, rock faces, and stuff like that. Look at this. There's no greenery in here. Maybe that's why they call it the Badlands. Nothing grows in here. We just got to our first dead location. Nothing's here though, so there's a lot of abandoned places here. Quiet. Yeah.
Too quiet.
We're here. We just found a ghost town. And nobody's here. There's a house with a broken window and there's a mannequin looking right at you. So that's crazy though. Trading post right here, 1920. It's a courthouse right here from 1920s. Telegraph office.
Rowley pretty much became a town.
We just finished walking around and people start hearing stuff, so I'm gonna bounce and get to the new campsite. The new campsite is sick, man. The views are crazy, but we just can't tell you where it is. It's crazy though. Oh, I don't have my mic. I just realized it's muddy in here. It's full of mud already. We're back at the Badlands. We just had to ghost town earlier, so I should have done more research because everything is closed. And a bunch of the trails that I want to head up, it says no trespassing, so no, man. Right here. Calorie deficit. You burn more than you're eating.
It feels weird talking like Japanese and to a Japanese person and they start talking. No, they start talking full Japanese. And you're like, whoa, 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 chill. I only know that one word.
Did you have rice too?
Yeah, I do.
You do? So cold though, right? Probably.
Cold rice.
Time check. 21:51. Activity. Eating ramen.
Ramen's good. Fire.
That's what they say when the piping hot. It's piping hot. Yeah, this is what it is, right? Good morning. I think it's still -5 right now. And I got my heater running all night. I received a lot of comments asking where I get this and that. I'm gonna show you the new upgrades I did. So last time I was running the power source right here. It still works. And I have a 10-foot cable that goes through my power station or the tent. It's versatile. For this time, we set up a new switch. So this is the switch. 1, internal battery. 2, that is for my other battery. This station is probably good for 2 days. When I'm doing multi-day, I could switch it to my bigger power station. Last time my control panel was right here, which is cool because I could totally unplug it and stuff like that and take it off. But I realized when it gets super cold, the LCD or the numbers, it lags. It's hard to monitor. Sometimes it doesn't even turn on. So what we did, we put it inside now. It just works better. This is how it looks like now. So super clean. I like that look. Close it. You don't hear it. It's fully waterproof. Sick, man. Firewood over here.
Bro. At least it's non-stick. You know?
Nice. Damn.
The thing I really love about this setup, we cook rice and we're using the big one without using any table, so. And nothing touching the ground. It's crazy.